Pause and read to learn more and compare. This video demonstrates the need for a preventative device to address the pain and rising cost of health, borne by everyone. At international health shows for several years, hundreds of competitors, all exhibiting the same lackluster product because nothing better was available, until now. This versatile product addresses 11 sitting issues and fills a need that's trending throughout society. I was motivated to resolve these issues and find comfort while driving tractor-trailer. Several more revelations that should motivate you. Seating products have sold for 4 decades but with little impact, reducing negative health statistics related to the back and sitting, especially at work. This is a detailed list of sitting jobs and other sitting places that represent our market. Demand should drive improvements, not excessive claims to generate sales. Now take a minute, view the competition and compare. Market supremacy is not always the result of a product's level of effectiveness. A dozen competitors because great need and demand drove sales for all, especially the better ones. Factor in the absence of our solution, which does the work of several, rendering most others obsolete. People, truckers and professionals are saying good things about the smart cushion. The smart cushion can sell in ways and places where others may not be appropriate. Please consider a contribution to our pre-launch readiness, or place a pre-order. Don't support a landfill. Buy quality American goods, like the smart cushion. This is a veteran-owned business. Check out the testimonial page. Thank you.